All, welcome to another session of Engineering Graphics, Semester 2. My name is Rahul Anar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Srinarayana Institute of Technology, Adur. Welcome all. Hello students, we are going to deal with the revision classes of Module 5. We are going to study the important topics from perspective projections, basic concepts and all.
Let me explain the visual ray method by solving a simple problem. A straight line, capital AB, 50 mm long, lies on the ground and is inclined 30 degree to PP, picture plane. The end A of the line AB is 25 mm behind PP. The station point is 50 mm in front of PP, 60 mm above the ground plane and lies in a central plane which is 80 mm to the right of the point A. Draw the perspective view of the line AB by visual ray method. This is our problem. Then we go to the so these are the given data. To solve this problem, first draw the front view and top view of the entire system using the method of orthographic projection. The first thing you can draw is the ground line, because in the front view this ground plane appears as a line, so you can draw this ground line at the bottom portion of your paper. Then it is given that the station point is 60 mm above the ground plane. So we all know the station point lies on the horizon plane, so you can draw the horizon line that is a front view of horizon plane which is at 60 mm above the ground line. Next you can draw the top view. In top view, the picture plane appears as a line, that is the PP line. Okay, so this PP line you should draw at a convenient distance from the horizon line. That convenient distance should be more than that of this distance, 50 mm, because the station point is 50 mm in front of PP. It is given in the problem. So this distance between HL and PP line should be more than that of 50 mm. Now you can draw the top view of the line. So it is given that the line is inclined 30 degree to PP and one point A is 25 mm above the PP line. So draw a line which is 25 mm above PP. Then you mark a point there, that is point A. Then draw your true length of the line, that is it is given that AB is 50 mm. Because the line is lying on the ground plane, you can see the true length in top view. Okay, so with the 30 degree inclined to PP, you can draw AB which is 50 mm in length. Okay, so this is your top view of the object or line. Here it is a line AB. Now you can draw the corresponding front view. which is lying on the ground line, because it is lying on the line is on the ground plane. So your front view is on the ground line, A dash B dash. Now the next step to follow is to find the station points. Find the station points in front view and top view. So we all know the station point. You should to locate the station point, we should have two dimensions in top view and also two distances in front view. Okay, in top view you should find the distances from PP, that is in front of PP, and also the distance from the object. It is given that the central plane, or central plane means the station point is the vertical plane passing through the station point. So the station points front view and top view is lying on the central plane. So central plane appears as a line in top view and also in front view, because that plane is perpendicular to both picture plane and ground plane. So that line you can draw from the point A towards 80 mm to the right. Okay, because it is given that the central plane is 80 mm to the right of the point A. Okay, so mark central line here. Now you can draw the top view of the station point, which is 50 mm in front of PP. So you can draw it is 50 mm below the PP line. And of course you have already marked the height of the observer here, that is the horizon line. So the intercept between horizon line and central line will give you the station points front view. Now to complete the problem, to find the perspective view of the points A and B, this is the procedure to follow. First you draw the front view visual rays. These are the front view visual rays. The line connecting station points front view and the front view points of the object. So SP dash A dash is the front view one of the front view visual ray. SP dash B dash is the another front view visual ray. Now you can, to find the perspective point of A, you draw the top view visual ray from SP to A, and you will get a intercept of this line with the PP here. From this point you draw a vertical projector line towards the corresponding visual ray in the front view, that is SP dash to A dash. You will get capital A. This capital A, you should denote the perspective view of the point with capital letters. So this is your perspective view of the point A. And to find the perspective point of perspective view of point B, you draw visual ray, top view visual ray from SP to B. Then from the intercept on PP, draw a perpendicular projector line towards the corresponding in front view, that is SP dash B dash. You will get capital B. Now if you join A and B, this line to the perspective view of the line AB. Okay, so this is a problem. Here you should draw all the lines except this perspective view edges all the lines with light lines. You can draw PP line, HL line and GL line, also CL line with dark line, and rest of all the lines, dimension lines, visual ray lines, the front view and top view of the object, dimensions, everything should be light, and only the perspective view should be with the dark line.